In this video, I'll show you how to reset your T-Mobile home internet gateway the right way, whether you just need a quick restart or a full factory reset. Why reset T-Mobile home internet? You may need a reset if your internet keeps disconnecting, speed suddenly dropped, the gateway is frozen, you forgot your Wi-Fi password. There are two types of resets, and they're very different. Option 1, restart, soft reset. This is the safest and most common fix. It does not erase your settings. Here's what to do. Press the power button on the back of the gateway. Unplug the power cable from the wall. Wait 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. Wait a few minutes for it to reconnect fully. In most cases, this fixes slow speeds, random disconnects, and minor software glitches. So always try this first. Option 2, factory reset. Only use this if you forgot your Wi-Fi password, your settings are corrupted, the gateway isn't responding properly. Here's how to do it. Find the small reset hole on the back or bottom of the gateway. Use a paperclip or SIM eject tool. Press and hold for 10 to 30 seconds. Release when the device restarts. Wait for the reboot to complete. After resetting, the gateway returns to factory settings. Your Wi-Fi name and password go back to default. You must reconnect using the details printed on the device label. This erases all custom settings. Sometimes weak signal, not the device, causes the problem. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. That's how to reset T-Mobile home internet properly. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more simple carrier guides, and comment below if your reset fixed the issue.